So this is the simple example of error which is covered in first chapter. આમ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે ઓછા પૂછાય છે જીટીયુની એક્ઝામમાં, એટલે આપણે એક બે જોશું ખ્યાલ આવે એટલે, બરાબર છે. હવે આમાં શું કીધું છે, અ ટ્રુ વેલ્યુ ઓફ 1.5 વોલ્ટ, ટ્રુ વેલ્યુ ઇઝ 1.5 વોલ્ટ. સો 1.5 volt when measured by a voltmeter of range 0 to 2.5 volt. This is the range, two span, between two span. Minimum value is 0 volt and maximum value is 2.5 volt. Is indicated as 1.46, means indicated value is 1.46 volt. So find percentage accuracy based on first scale reading and second is full scale reading. So I hope everybody is familiar with this formula for the percentage accuracy is equal to scale reading minus true value divided by scale reading into 100. So this is simple formula which is I teach. So scale value means indicated value. Indicated value is 1.46. So 1.46 minus true value is 1.5 volt. 1.5 volt divided by scale reading 1.46 into 100. So the answer is minus 2.74% of the scale reading. And secondly, we can find full scale reading. So full scale reading, so for this formula is percentage accuracy is equal to scale reading minus true value divided by full scale reading into 100. So scale reading is 1.46. Full scale reading is our maximum reading is 2.5, means it is full scale reading. So scale reading minus true value is 1.5 volt and full scale reading is 2.5 volt into 100. So the answer is minus 1.6% of full scale reading. So this is the simple example of accuracy. So it can be asked or may not be asked. You can find in last papers. Okay, this is the simple example of accuracy. Thank you.